Hi everyone, we're back with the Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. We're doing part 2 of cleaning the dirty white rug. We're going to be seeing how well this Hoover performs getting the rest of the dirt out of this rug. This is the second cleaning, so it won't be as dirty as the first one, I hope not. But let's begin cleaning and see how well this Hoover performs. We are washing, there is solution in the machine. The Smartwash doesn't use much water, so I like to take extra passes. I can still see a decent bit of dirt in that water. So now it's going to be a time lapse of the rest of the cleaning. So I'm going to move positions. And let's begin the time lapse. All right, so we're finished with the Smartwash. Look at this tank of water. I wasn't expecting it to be this dirty. Look at that. I'll dump it in just a minute. But the carpet is extremely clean. It's really soft and fluffy. And it's really not that wet. It's a little wetter than last time, but not too bad. Let's dump the water. Wow, that is so much dirt. I'm really surprised there was that much this time after we cleaned it already. But that should be the rest of the dirt. I'm sure there's a little bit left, but I'm not going to clean it again. That's a lot of nasty dirt and water. See, there's pieces of kitty litter in there too. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the Hoover Smartwash, and I'll see you next time.